I mix petroleum jelly with lemon. This saves me a ton of money. I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. This solution is much cheaper, simpler, and better. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly that many people use. But not everyone knows its wide range of applications. If you combine it with lemon, you'll get a super cheap cosmetic product. Transfer 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly to a small clean bowl. Take 1 lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2. If any seeds get into the juice, strain it through a sieve into a bowl. Prepare a steam bath. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice over a pot of hot water. Heat until the ingredients are dissolved. Petroleum jelly makes the skin soft, smooth, and more elastic. Mix everything thoroughly. Lemons improve the skin's texture. They brighten the complexion and remove blemishes. They reduce the number of blackheads. Once the mixture has cooled down, you can apply it to your face, neck, and decollete. If you have makeup on, remove it first. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow the skin to absorb it well. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be properly moisturized and nourished. With daily care, you'll see results in just a few days. Apply some Vaseline to the pot lid, and you'll never have to scrub it again. You'll be shocked at how clever this trick is. Grab a regular pot lid from your kitchen cabinet and squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto it. The toothpaste works mainly on the surface, thanks to its mild abrasives that loosen and remove dried-on grime. Rub it thoroughly along the edges of the lid. Meanwhile, pour some water into a pan and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. The baking soda makes the water more alkaline, which helps break down and dissolve grease, while also acting as a gentle scrub and neutralizing odors. Once the water starts boiling, cover the pan with the lid. If the lid isn't fully submerged, add more water and let it simmer for a few minutes. You'll see bits of dirt and grease floating to the surface, the kind that a sponge can't remove. Afterward, wash the lid as usual. It'll come out perfectly clean. But that's not all. Finish by rubbing a thin layer of Vaseline along the lid's edges. It creates a smooth, non-stick coating that prevents grime from building up and makes it much easier to keep clean later. You won't believe how this simple trick can unclog your drain in just a few minutes. Plumbers never share this secret. Clogged drains are a common issue. Food scraps, grease, and buildup collect inside the pipes. But there's an easy fix. First, scoop all the water out of the sink into a bowl or a bucket. Remove the strainer and sprinkle in a few tablespoons of table salt. Salt works as a natural cleaner. It breaks down residue and disinfects. Boil some water in a kettle and pour it straight into the drain opening. This helps the salt reach the tough spots inside the pipes. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a homemade mixture. In a small bowl, add half a tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline creates a protective layer so grease and grime won't stick easily to the pipe walls. Next, pour in about 3½ ounces of any dish soap. Dish soap dissolves grease and lifts dirt. Mix well until the Vaseline melts completely. Use this mixture to clean the entire sink and faucet. It will polish, remove stains, and protect against water spots. Then pour the rest down the drain. The combination of these ingredients prevents grease and food scraps from clinging to the inside of your pipes. Let it sit for a few minutes, then flush with water. With this simple method, your sink will stay unclogged, odors will disappear, and your pipes will have a protective coating. Pour turmeric into Vaseline. This simple combination will give you a feeling of lightness in no time. The exact proportions are important, so pay close attention. Prepare a tall glass container and add half a tablespoon of turmeric. Its natural properties help soften the skin and support its regeneration after a long day, while also providing a soothing effect. Then add just under 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, which gives the mixture a smooth texture, softens the skin, and helps keep it in good condition. Now it's time for the oil, but not just any oil. It must be coconut oil so the mixture becomes silky and easy to spread. Coconut oil also deeply moisturizes, nourishes, has antibacterial properties, and leaves the skin smooth and supple. Mix everything well until you get a uniform paste. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which acts as a gentle exfoliant and cleanser for the skin, with mild antibacterial and antifungal effects. Mix again until all ingredients are perfectly combined. Apply the prepared paste to your knee, spreading it evenly. Then wrap it with plastic wrap to keep the area warm and boost the effectiveness of the ingredients. Go to sleep, and in the morning you'll feel pleasant relief and lightness in that part of your body. You'll see that just one night is enough for your knees to feel true comfort. Pour an egg into petroleum jelly. The results will truly surprise you. Start with a small bowl and crack an egg into it. Use a regular plastic bottle to separate the yolk from the egg white. You mainly need the yolk for this recipe, but don't throw away the egg white. Just add 1 tablespoon of it to the bowl with the yolk. Now, prepare the petroleum jelly and add a small spoonful to the bowl. Mix everything thoroughly. Next, take a lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2 directly into the bowl and stir well. Apply the mixture to your hands and gently massage it into the skin, focusing on particularly dry areas. Cover your hands with plastic wrap and leave it on for 20 minutes. After this time, your skin will be perfectly moisturized. You can also use this treatment on your feet to soften and hydrate rough skin. After application, the skin becomes smooth, soft, and deeply nourished. A lady at the drugstore shared this secret with me. Drop some petroleum jelly into boiling water. I'll show you how to make your own aromatic balms. Start by taking a small pot and filling it halfway with water. Once the water boils, add 2 containers of petroleum jelly. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. During this time, the petroleum jelly will melt and become liquid. After that, carefully remove the containers from the pot. Open one container and add your favorite perfume. For the second one, use your favorite men's fragrance. Mix everything well. Then, mark the containers with different nail polish colors to avoid confusion. Place them in the fridge for about 3 hours to harden. After that, they are ready to use. Apply them to your wrists and the area behind your ears. The wrists and the area behind your ears are spots where the skin is thinner and closer to blood vessels. This makes these areas warmer, which helps release the fragrance. The heat allows the perfume to develop better and become more intense. I apply Vaseline to the areas under the doors and windows. It sounds like it doesn't make sense, but it actually makes a huge difference. You probably wouldn't think to apply Vaseline to the gaps by the doors and windows. However, it's a really good trick. When it starts getting warm, we usually open the patio doors. Unfortunately, many of us have ants in the garden or on the patio. As a result, we often avoid opening the doors because these insects frequently find their way into the house. But we don't have to forego the fresh air coming through the doors. You just need to use this trick. It will only take you a moment. Ants usually move along a single path when they want to get somewhere. This is usually some sort of indentation. If you know which path they take, it's perfect. Simply take some Vaseline and smear it along this path. Ants won't cross the Vaseline because it's an insurmountable obstacle for them. We won't even notice the Vaseline in our daily life. Just smear a strip about the width of a finger, and you can forget about ants in the house for good.